The new document creation window allows you to either use standard template sizes based upon default and defined media sizes, or you can edit them yourself with custom settings here in this document setting on the right. That's what we're going to do today. I'm going to create a new drawing that will print on a standard letter-sized piece of paper, and I'm going to make it landscape in orientation. So my width is going to be 11 inches wide, and my height will be 8.5 inches tall. You'll see here that it automatically defaults to landscape orientation, which is wider than it is tall. If I want a quick switch, I can click here on portrait and you'll see the height and width adjust automatically. I'm going to leave it here on landscape for today. We're going to leave the check for artboards alone. Note here that you can set your units. More often than not, we'll be working in inches, though if you're doing any work for websites or for mobile development, setting for pixels or points might be useful. Our resolution we're going to set for 150, which is the standard working resolution in digital documents. We'll cover more about resolution in a later tutorial. We measure things in pixels per inch, and we're going to stay in standard RGB color, 8-bit of color per channel. There are other options here. Again, we'll learn more about those in later tutorials. For our background options, we'll keep this white, and under advanced options, we're going to leave them alone. If you start getting deeper into photography, you may want to come in here and change some of your working profiles to things like Pro Photo, which allow for more color generation options. But standard RGB right here will work just fine for us today. I'll go ahead and hit create, or I can hit enter on my keyboard.